How to sign into your account in Among Us game. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Among Us game. After you're inside the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Accept these terms and policies, tap on I understand. After that, it will directly recognize your Google account. If you have your Gmail account and your gaming profile saved in your device, it will automatically recognize it. Now you just need to select your age. And there you go, you are now easily logged into your account. So the only thing you need is your Gmail account in order to log into it. It will just recognize your Gmail account. It will create your game profile and log you in easily. So that's a very easy process to sign into Among Us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.